Locking within a project provides an invaluable configuration control tool for preventing unwarranted or unauthorized changes from taking place, such as after drawings and assemblies have been approved and need to remain in a known state. With SSI 2024 R1.1, ShipConstructor now provides the option to allow all users to view the lock status and permissions for assemblies, drawings, and spools. Now, users from any department and with any level of permission can enter and view the Locked Manager, providing a clear picture of what is locked or unlocked and the access that will be required if further work is needed to complete the tasks at hand. Although users without appropriate permissions will be prevented from modifying lock statuses, they will have the ability to navigate and organize the lock status dialog, sort and view columns, view access groups, and view users within each of these groups. The ability to view read-only data within the Lock Manager provides both critical access to users who need to view the lock statuses, while ensuring the drawings, assemblies, and spools remain unmodified and are configuration controlled. This provides peace of mind to project managers that the source of truth project elements will remain unchanged. As locking represents an integral tool within the change management workflow, these feature updates and enhancements will provide stakeholders with peace of mind, knowing they can not only provide complete control over modifications made to the project, while at the same time reducing the need to manage every lock query by other designers and departments. View these Lock Manager updates and all ShipConstructor tools by downloading the 2024 R1.1 release and visiting SSI Nexus today.